Welcome to today's market update. We're covering the significant surge in oil prices following a major supply disruption in the Middle East. We will break down what caused this spike, the immediate market reaction, and the potential global economic impact. In breaking news, global oil prices have experienced a sharp increase this morning. The primary cause? Significant supply disruptions stemming from instability in the Middle East region. Let's look closer at the specific nature of this supply disruption and where it occurred. The disruption is traced back to a specific, unexpected incident that has temporarily halted operations at a critical oil facility. This has immediately impacted key oil transit routes and forced a shutdown of some production facilities. The immediate consequence is a noticeable reduction in the global oil supply volume, which is the direct catalyst for the current price surge. Now let's examine how the financial markets responded to this sudden development. Prices reacted almost instantaneously to the news, reflecting the market's high sensitivity to Middle East supply concerns. Both major benchmarks, West Texas Intermediate and Brent crude, saw significant upward movement, pushing prices to new multi-month highs. Market volatility is extremely high, indicating deep concern among investors about the duration and severity of the disruption. The ripple effects of soaring oil prices extend far beyond the energy sector, potentially impacting the global economy. Consumers are likely to feel the pinch quickly through rising prices at the gas pump and increased costs for petroleum-derived products. Higher energy costs fuel inflation and directly impact energy-dependent industries such as transportation and manufacturing. What is the strategic response to stabilize the market, and what's the forecast for the coming weeks? International energy agencies are closely monitoring the situation, with immediate discussions focusing on potentially releasing strategic oil reserves to calm the markets. Price stabilization is dependent on how quickly the supply issue is resolved, with forecasts suggesting sustained high prices in the short term. Let's summarize the current situation and what to watch for next. In summary, oil prices are elevated due to a significant supply disruption in a vital production region. The market remains highly uncertain. Stay tuned for further updates as the situation evolves in the Middle East.